Kementeri Kekoi Kekiak Kong Ampareen do Akasinung Kong Kalaong Baka Sorkar Jela ke Jied ke Kompeni ke Bahan Tampat Pynïaid ke Way Not Pra Emri Apok ke Jela. Habaya keren bat kilat patai ku board Kementeri Kalaong Baka Tenat kan Sya Pentame Hakijing ya Penkesan Jongki Kompeni ki baya kini nama ketenat ke Don Ban Jied ya ke Babahan ke Babahan Tam. Kijing ya kena kijing ya penkesan kan la man bet ya kijing kalau ong baka tenat ke don man pet ya kijing ai ya kijing sekri ke ambulans ke de ban long ke biang tam ya gipat ba ke jelam mekalia ke way not pra MRI kalau syak mat ya kijing tunjuk ki babon ha kisnam ki balik no panum kwa ban ya don benta kum kine ki kam ke ban keta ya ke Sorkar. Kementeri kal kerepat ya company bikin penbet ya de ha ke ban long atkar ban up ya kijing jet ban sependap bat bakim de ban le syakilat patai ke board da kijing ujor namar ke mej ban ujor ke de ka tender komiti ke bade ban le syaka komiti. Kementeri kal patharu ya company bikin kiar na kijing pin klumar dimut halor ke kom jet ya ke company ke ban simti ban Pynïaid ya ke way not pra MRI hapok jela.
Under no circumstances is privy to information of a tender procedure. A tender procedure is being supervised by a tender committee. And we have a competent tender committee. What has happened in this bid, to my understanding, is the fact that bidders have become very competitive. All bidders feel that they are the most competent company to run the 108 service. Let me remind the bidders one thing. You are bidding in the state of Meghalaya not to serve a luxurious service. You are here to be committed to ensure that the people of the state of Meghalaya get the best ambulance service and life-saving opportunities as possible. We are not going to be distracted by this competitive argument between companies. We are here to select the best of the best. Allegations, submissions, counter submissions will not solve the problem. We are here to provide for the best ambulance service for the people of the state of Meghalaya. The 108 service has suffered several beatings in the past, and I will not be party to any irrelevant matter that will distract us as a state government to provide the most competitive service. Bidders amongst themselves are not bounded to interact freely in this competitive bid that they are engaged in. We want to make sure that the people of the state of Meghalaya, including the employees who have been engaged this far, get the best deal. HR to run a 108 service will require local participations, individuals. We have different kinds of workers in the 108 who need to not only be committed but also need to have the required skills to be a part of the 108 service. All of those skills will be accordingly evaluated, and all of the bidders will be evaluated on a fair playing field. I will not indulge. I don't even know their names. It does not really matter to me. What is going to matter is that when there is a crisis, you are there to solve the crisis. You are there with your expertise from the outside to provide the necessary service that we need. There is nothing more that I would like to add. And I reiterate, the Honorable Chief Minister, the Council of Ministers, all of them ministers, We want one thing, that our people get the best ambulance services. We would like to see that ambulances reach every block. We would like to see that there is state of the art technology that will connect an ailing citizen from the time they pick him or her from the house to the time they dispose them of or they send them to a medical team. What can we do for the people of the state of Meghalaya? Can we have a system where not only will the ambulances reach at the shortest time possible, but also travel in safety? We should ensure that there is safety for the workers, safety for the patient, and we do not want to get into a situation where you see very undesired accidents, accidents that have resulted in a lot of other negative ramifications. So, my plea to the bidders: discipline yourself, wait for the selection procedure to be completed, and please don't go to the media again and again with your complaints, because your actual complaint desk is the committee. The complaint that we have received this far, as per the briefing I got from my officers, has been attended to. If X bidder is saying that Y bidder is like this and like that and like this and like that, we have sent it to the correct authority for its evaluation and substantiation. I feel that this is good, and I feel that the system that has been generated is pro people. And as you bid in such a competitive ambience and atmosphere, don't forget why you have come to the state of Meghalaya. Come here to give us service, not to create this confusion, which is very unnecessary and annoying, very distracting for a minister. And I will not engage, and I will not believe also that we will not select the best of the best.
Ma'am, like your place should go to the technical committee, and that this bidding, of course, should be confidential till the time that the decision has been taken. But will any action be taken against such bidders who tend to go outside the technical committee? Ma'am?
It's a very tight rope that we are walking on. And penalties have not been already pre-conceived or pre-thought of in the bid document. And it would be very late for us to retract, cancel this again, and recall this again. I hope that I don't have to reach a stage where we have to take a decision that, oh my gosh, there it goes again down the drains, and we have to cancel this bid. So, penalties for indiscipline of bidders is another learning experience that we will gain for the next bid. But players should come with a focus on encapsulating their offers rather than what somebody else is offering. It is very difficult for us. The NHAM has come out with 2 press statements already. This is a 3rd press statement that I am giving, and henceforth I shall not be debating this anymore. And I request the media, stay away from this competitiveness of our companies. It's good to see that we have good competition, but it becomes negative when this kind of unhealthy batting is going on between them. We want results, and I'm very clear about this. We will take the best of the best.